Hello friends, welcome to a new video. My name is Roland. I study civil engineer. I'm a civil engineer, and for some few days now I started to learn how to use the program CostX, iTWO-CostX. So I did some exercise already, and today I want to go through the whole process I already learned. So we will upload the drawings, and then we will manage it and take the dimension. This is what this is the plan I have today, and to share it with you. So if you are new on my channel, give a support, subscribe and like. This is all what I ask you. Thank you, and let's just start. Okay, I have courses here, the student version that is already open. So I will create a new project. I'll click new, and then I will give the name to my project. How can I call the project? I will just say pay. Let's just say pay 2, project 2. Project 2, and then when I finish I will give here and here. I will give the name of the building. The name of the building, I will call it let us call family house. Family house. Okay, I don't have any code, so I will leave this place like this. I'll also check it here, is everything in meter and so when I finish I will just click insert, and my project will be created. So now is the time to upload our drawings. To upload our drawings, we will go to this place. We will click drawings, and then we will come here and click add a drawing. We just have to wait a little bit. Yes, now the program is open, and then I will go to my partner I have inside my computer. If I have any drawing like you see, I will just take it from here. So I will take these drawings here, and then I will just wait. Okay, the drawings is uploaded like you see behind, and now is the time to create a folder. How can I call the folder? I will call the folder okay. Folder. So when I finish, I will just also check here if everything is in meta, and I will click insert. So now I have my drawings. The next thing I have to do is to calibrate my drawings. Like you see here, I can calibrate my drawings here. This is, I have to confirm that the measure I have here is the same measure that the drawings have. So I'll have to check where can I calibrate, which measure can I take. Okay, let me take this and this, and that's a little bit again. So now $15, I will give it here. I will click OK. Okay, now the drawings is calibrated, and what we have to do now is to check our layers. Okay, to check the layers, and to start to take dimension. So we will go back to our layers here, and we will try to manipulate so that we will have, maybe if we just want to take concrete, or maybe we just want to take I don't know, bricks. So we have to manipulate the layer to get access to what we want to take. So now this is the layers here. I will remove some color so that I will get access to what I want to what measure I want to take. I will remove let me reduce it so that you can see what I'm removing. I will remove the blue color. The blue color is, I remove it. I will remove the white. I will remove the green. I will remove the green. I will remove the orange. Okay, the yellow too. Okay, I can leave the yellow because I will have to count in a few minutes. So in the next few minutes I will create the dimension counting this door, so that is why I leave it. I can also remove the red. Okay, when I finish, I can now start to create my dimension and take the dimension, to create and take the dimension. So what are we doing now? We will go back to drawings, and now it's time to start to count. The first dimension we will create is we will count how many doors we have here in our drawings. That is the first dimension we will create. Okay, to do it, we will go back to dimension, like you see, and I will create my first dimension. I will just click on add, and then I have to give the name. The name, I will call it doors okay. Okay, when I finish it, I will check the folder, and I will call it okay, let's say standard folder. Let's use this one. Okay, now I will come here, I will come down, and then change here. I want to count, I don't want the area, so I will choose count here, and the same thing here, also count. And then when I finish, I can also check the color, maybe change it and have something like blue. And when I finish, I can press insert, and now I can start to count, like you see here. Okay, to count, I will also change the marker here. This is the marker to the point mode. So this allows us to just make a point every time you want to count. Now everything is ready, I can start. So I'll just click like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are realizing I'm not counting this door because this door and this door are different. So I will create a new dimension to count this door too. The door, this door don't belong to this one. Belong the same. They are together, so I will count it together. So I will continue with this. And anytime I'm counting, you can see the number is increasing here. So that is how I can count. I have 10 now. Continue. Anytime I make a point and I have Okay, this side is finished. Now we can continue here. We have the same doors here. This is what you see. If you see a point, that means I already count this door, so you don't need to count it 2 times. They are the same here also, and here. Okay, these doors are the same, so I will count it too. Okay. Okay, and this side, 1, 2. Okay, this means, okay, I count all the doors for the same type. This were the same type, so now we have like we have 67. Now I have to create a new dimension and count this door too. So what I'm doing, I'll go back again to add dimension, and I'll create a doors again. I will make a different in doors. Okay, I will write big because these doors are bigger, so I will leave standard and also change here. Change count, and here also count. Yes, this you can change the color and take maybe this one. So when we finished, we will do like the first time. Just click insert, and now we can start to count again. You can see it here. This is the new dimension I created. So we have here again. So like I said, we don't have to count it one after one like I'm doing. You could just count the door and then multiply it with the number we have. But I didn't do it. That is why I have to count everything like this, one after one. So yes, the same. Okay. Is everything finished? No, we have one again. Again here. Okay. This type of door are also finished. We count everything. We have 22, like you see here. Okay, when we finish this, now we can what do we need again? We can start to measure the area, and after the area we will take the volume. So the next dimension I will create now is the area. We will take the area of this place here, like you see this place I'm showing. So create a new dimension, and this time is the name of the dimension. I can say area. area rooms. We finish, and can create a new folder. A folder will be let's change, don't use standard. We can create area homes. Okay, when we finish, we have the area here. Everything is okay. It's already the area, and we can leave the color here, the color we have. So when you finish, we can click insert, and now we can start to create our area. This is what we just created. Okay, to continue to do the work, we will change the marker mode in line. When we change line, we can start to take our dimension, like you see. And here I will close it here. Let me remove the yellow, so that we not have any problem anymore. So I will remove it. Now you see this place is free. I will go back to the drawings and start to take my dimension again. And you see it here, and when I finish, I click enter. We'll continue here, and click enter. You see, this is the dimension what I'm taking. You see here. So I will continue, like you see. Enter again. Enter, we close. Enter. Enter again. This is the same work we have to do, and finish to take the area. Yes, this is how we have to take the area. Enter. Okay, I will not do the same work every time, but you see how I can take the area. This is the area we are taking for the rooms. These are all the rooms, so we can just continue to take, like you see here, doing the same work, doing the same process, and finish to take all this room. So now I will stop this. I will stop taking the area, and I will just change and now start with the volume. So to take the volume, I will go back again. I will go back again and create a new dimension, like you see. Add a dimension, and this will be a new folder. Let us say volume. Let us say we will start to take the walls, volume walls. So now Okay, when we finish, you can also here we can at display we have here area, because we want to take the wait, we have here area, and at this place we will come and change it to volume, and here default height we will give how high our walls are. So we can say let us use 2.7, and when you finish we can also check the color and choose the color, appropriate color we like, and then when we finish it you can just press insert, and you see this is what we just created here. This is the volume we want to take now, like you see here. Okay, now I will start to take the volume of the walls. So I will, yes, we will use the line mode. So we will just start like you see, and this is how to do it. So like you see, like you see, and when we finish we just click enter, and you see this is the volume of the wall I just took. This is the volume here. So we will continue the same work like you see here. We will continue the same work. Okay, we are about to close. Okay, when we finish we just press enter, and now you see this is this cipher is increasing. Yeah, also we have to do this. Okay, again, so this will be the same work for the rest, for these walls, for this wall, for this wall, this wall, this wall. So it will be the same work. I will continue it after, so my video will be very long for nothing if I have to take all these walls in the video. So I will stop it here, and now I will create a new dimension just to take the column. So this is the column. We want to take the volume of the column to know, okay, the quantity of concrete we will need to build this column. So what I will do now is to create a new dimension. Okay, I will create, like you see, new dimension. Now it is about the color. Volume. Okay, you see, when I finish, I will just change the color here and choose something like, I don't know if I use it already, but that's not a problem. I'll click insert, and now I can start to take. Okay, we create a new dimension. This is the new dimension we created, like you see here. This is what we just created. So we start to take, like you see. No, again, I'll just click. Let me change. You realize I just have 1 meter because I didn't give how high our column is, so that was a mistake. We should because we want to take the volume, that is what we should change the volume. And here we also have to give the height, so 2.7. I think it's everything is okay. And when you finish, you just upload, and now you see I have the number here that is changing. So we will continue to take our dimension, like you see. Enter again. Enter. 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 Again. Again. We are just about to finish. So I think it's the last one. And enter again. You see, this is all the volume I'm taking here. We have like 36 cubic meter. So we still have the same here, the same column here, but you see how I can take the volume of the column. I can count my the number of doors, or take the dimension concerning the area. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. We will continue to exercise, and I hope you are having a nice day. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget subscribe and give a like if you see my video. See you next time. Ciao.